Press Lightening Software. Then go to communication setup to make sure you are connected to the right driver. Then close. First go to Configuration Center. Set the screw pitch and gear ratio. And then go to Mode, set position mode. Key in the electronic gear ratio if you have. And then select low speed pulse input, pulse and direction. And OK. Send to run. After that, go to Auto Tune Center. Yes. So when this prompt out, so we go to Protection, Advanced Gain, Free Tune here, Disable Free Tune. And then go to Auto Tune Center again, press yes. So we will enable the servo and then make sure the direction of the servo. If this is not the direction of servo that you need, then we will toggle this to change the direction of servo. For the auto tune mode, there is standard and advanced. Normally we will choose standard. And stiffness, we will choose normal. In case there is a belt application, then we will need to use soft. So for this, I will choose normal, then we will press execute. After this is auto tune in green static color, the tuning is done. And then we will go to Performance Center. Test running the servo with this. We will go to I/O Center to set all the I/O connect to PLC. Like servo enable is the servo on, abort motion is the stop motion signal, home OK is the counter duration clear, new home sensor left limit, right limit, clear error. Also output, there is servo ready error in position home. After this, just close it. After done all the setting here, we will need to save to flash. If you do not save to flash, when you power off the driver and power on again, all the data will be lost. It will back to the previous setting. So we must do this flash. After doing this flash, we will need to reset the amplifier. Okay, then the Hiwin setting is done.